MSI RTX 590 Ventus review, Overkill or ultimate weapon, no RGB, just raw power. Ever feel like your setup just isn't keeping up? You're grinding through renders, gaming at 4K, juggling AI workloads, and still watching your rig choke like it skipped leg day. Your screen tears, frames drop, temps skyrocket, and somehow your high-end GPU sounds like a jet engine. Motivation nosedives. You're stuck tweaking fan curves and praying for stability instead of actually doing the thing. It's maddening. You didn't sign up to be an IT help desk. You just want performance that works. But with overpriced cards full of flashy RGB and little substance, where's the real power? Deadlines loom like bosses in Elden Ring. Your Blender render won't finish before dinner turns into midnight snacks. DLSS? Still choppy. AI model training, snail's pace. Creative flow, murdered by thermal throttling. And when your tools fail, you take the hit. Missed opportunities, lost contracts, and burnout that hits harder than a Dark Souls death screen. All you want is a stable, reliable GPU that doesn't sound like a leaf blower or cost you your sanity. You're over it. Something's got to give, or you will. Deep breath. Time to upgrade? Yup. Meet the MSI NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 Ventus 3X OC, a GPU built like a war machine. Packing 32 gigs of GDDR7 at 28 gigabits per second across a 512-bit bus. It's engineered for 4K domination, heavy AI loads, and studio-grade rendering. Powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and rocking 21,760 CUDA cores, it cranks frames with DLSS 4's multi-frame generation, 9th gen NVENC, and full ray tracing with neural rendering. The Ventus 3X cooling with triple TORX Fan 5 runs whisper quiet, even when pushed to the edge. PCIe Gen 5, HDMI 2.1, triple DP 2.1, factory OC, and support for undervolting round out this minimalist monster. No RGB fluff, just raw, unfiltered power. And the results? Jaw-dropping? We're talking up to 40% faster than the RTX 4090 in creative tasks. Plus, rock-solid temperatures, around 63 degrees Celsius on the GPU and about 78 degrees on the VRAM. Even under load, even quieter when undervolted. One Redditor said it rivals Supreme's thermals without the price tag. Reviews? Glowing. Work sped up 3 times, dead silent, boosts deep learning like a beast. TechRadar crowned it best GPU for AI pros in 2025. The Verge called it the new king of 4K. Even skeptics love the no-nonsense design. It's sleek, clean, and made for creators who don't need a light show. They need firepower. Tap in. This is what peak performance looks like. Stock is flying. High demand, limited supply. The RTX 5090 Ventus 3X OC doesn't sit around waiting. It sells out fast. So if you're still hesitating, don't. This isn't just another GPU. It's your creative liberation, your competitive edge, your game changer. Join thousands of creators, gamers, and engineers who've leveled up and never looked back. No gimmicks, just greatness. Buy now, secure yours today. Don't get caught lagging. Seize the card that delivers when others throttle. It's time to play smarter, render faster, and win harder. Let's go.